So today, guys, I want to show you how set up quickly and nicely your Shopify website. So first of all, you need to go to settings. Okay, go to settings, go to policies, and you need to put all your policies here. That's the most important part of your Shopify website, because if you don't do that, you will have some you will have some bad thing happen to you legally, in the legally context. Okay, so how you find policies quickly and how to set up fastly. So you go to Shopify policies. Et you go to the generator de politique de confidentiality free, and you just have to put your information and generate it. Okay, so after you generated it, you put all of the policies here, and after that you go to pages and you need to create new pages, and you need to create all of your policies, like refund policy. You write it here, you copy and paste, and after that you just have to put all your policies into your, the menu, in the footer. So how to do that? You need to go to navigation, footer menu, and you need to add all your policies here. Okay, so that's it for your policies. After that, you need to import a theme in your website. Okay, so don't hesitate to contact me, because I have a branded brand theme, like iTicket theme, like 300 pound. I can give you it for free. And how you set up it, just have to go there, add a theme, upload a theme, upload it, and after I gave you the theme, you just have to go to your theme, like Luna. You click on it, on the on the file, the zip file. Okay, you open it, you download it, and you have a theme, bro. You have a website. Perfect, man. Me by myself. Okay, perfect. You personalize it. You go to settings. First of all, you want to have a color, three colors. You want to have black, white, and your brand color. Okay, like blue, red, green. I don't care. That's your problem, man. So you go to settings, colors, and you put your color like red, and you put it on the button, see, in the primary button, like that. Okay, button, like, okay. So you have your color setup. I just want to do something. Perfect. Okay, so you have a website. That's branded website. That's perfect. Okay, it's perfect. It's branded. It's perfect. That's perfect, man. You have your branded website. Now you want to have a typography. Like you want to have two typography. You want to have for your title. You want to have something with serif like that. You know, with serif. You can see on the letter or like that with serif or like that. This is serif typography. Okay, for your title, I like to put it in bold too. Okay, so perfect. And for your text, you need to have typography in sans serif, like that. You see, or like I like roboto. This is sans serif, okay? And you need to put it in regular, not in bold, okay? So now you have done that. Now you need to create a logo. So I will show you that in a future video. So other thing you need to do, you need to import some product. Very simple. I like to before you can do it, you could do it with copy, you know, the application, but now you need to add a product like that. It's simple, like binocular. You put your image like that, you know, you put your image with the technique I show you on Canva. You put your price like this. You need to uncheck this case to sell it. Okay. Now you have your product, you have your website, and you have your pages. Another thing to do is you need to do the menu, the principal menu. So you click on navigation, you go to principal menu, and you need to import your pages like home page, bestseller collection, you know, track my order, and contact page. That's it. That's it. You just have to do that, and you're done. Okay. Another thing, you need to go to payments, and you need to set up your Shopify payments. So how you do that? You just have to add your company info, and that's it. Another thing, you need to go to uh, payment page, checkout page, and you need to to check this case SMS to do SMS bump, and you need to choose your language, and that's it. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoy this video, man, and find some great value on it. Have a great day, and keep to hard work, man.